This is a brand new 2013 Ford F-Series. This truck has an automatic transmission, a 6.7-liter V8, and four-wheel drive. Its top features and packages include an off-road package, skid plates, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, and hill descent control. The following features are also included: front and rear reading lights, a trailer hitch receiver, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, a passenger side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, side curtain airbags, door reinforcement beams, rear seat child-proof door locks, and an auxiliary power outlet. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.
Mac Haik Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 515 North Interstate 35 East in DeSoto.